Hey guys, what's up? It's Here Taking, and today I'm going to show you how to build a Lego Rubik's Cube. Cue the intro. Actually, it'd be more like, cue the intro. Or like, cue the intro. And I pull it down. You'll need all these pieces for a single side. You will need 9 2x2 bricks. And if you want the correct colors of the Rubik's Cube, you want yellow, white, red, orange, green, and blue. And then you want 6 2x1 bricks, 2 1x8 bricks, 6 2x6 bricks, and then you will want 4 1x6 bricks. So to make a singular side, you will want to have your 3 bricks and line it up in a square. And then you will want to put a 2x2 every one stud away from each other. So they're not touching, but really close. And then after that, you want to put one of these in the middle. So now you have something that looks like this. You have 3 different parts of it. Next, you'll take these 2 pieces and put it in the middle through here, so then it stays together. Make sure you do it this opposite of the way the plates are facing. If the plates are facing up, you want this horizontal. Then finally, you will put your 1x2s in the holes here to fill this up. Okay, this is almost done. The last thing we'll need to do is put 4 of these all around the edge, so then it will stay together. If you don't have 4 of these 1x6s, you can use 1x4s. That would also work. And if you have these hinge pieces or anything that doesn't pop out too much, you can also use that too. This is one side, and I'll just do the rest. Okay, and I have finished all 6 sides. We have yellow, white, blue, green, orange, and red. And now you will need 6 of these. I prefer black, though you can use any color of them too. I have some extra here just in case. So, you take one side of any of your squares and add one of these on. That's all. Just do that for every single one of your squares. Now, once you have done that for every single square, you want to start putting them together. So to do that, you might want a Rubik's Cube for reference. Here's my Rubik's Cube, and I am going to set that here to see where the colors go. So, white. And the next one you have is red. And so you see the little connectors here? We put that on. Next color is green. Oh wait, no, we're doing the color down here. Whatever way this goes. So the color down here is yellow. And then the next color we need is orange. And so we will go like this. Now, you should have something looking like this. If this won't fit on, you might have to push it in, which is okay. So now you'll end up something like this. Nothing will be sticking out here. So you will need to use more of these on the other 2 sides that you choose. And you'll need to do this on all 4 sides of these. Now, once you have done that, you will want to attach it in here, which means you'll kind of have to force it in much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Really though, do like it. And subscribe.